Hey TJ, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2011 Chevrolet HHR. I want to show you a shot of the engine compartment here. I'm going to be showing you conditional issues more than anything, and there are very few. Here's the engine compartment for you. The hood looks great. The headlamps are clear, the fog lamps are clear. There might be some slight pitting on the lower fog lamps, but the plastic looks good. It is set up, looks like it's set up for a flat toe. The grille is excellent. And there's your fog lamp on the other side. Headlamp glass. This is the front left tire and wheel. I walked around looking down the side. This is a really straight vehicle. I don't see any chips or dings on the driver's side, which is this left side. Running boards look good. It's got the privacy glass in the back, roof rack on top, sunroof. This is the left rear tire and wheel. Moving to the back, the only area that I saw was, and I don't know if it'll show up on this video, is right here. There is a slight ding right there. Otherwise, the car looks very nice. There's a scratch here through the Flex Fuel emblem, and then the rear bumper has some scratches that have been touched up. Otherwise, lower air dam looks good. Tail light glass looks excellent. This is the right rear tire and wheel. Again, looking down the right side of the vehicle, same thing. I don't see any scratches or dings that are apparent. Looks very straight. Running board looks excellent as well. There is a chip, small chip, on the right side of the windshield here on the passenger side that has been filled. Otherwise, the glass is in great shape. Here's the front right tire and wheel. Moving inside, very clean vehicle. This is the right passenger door. The door sill and seat bolster, which generally can show some signs of normal wear, but this looks really good. Has the fold down armrests. This leather looks really good. Dash looks excellent. I don't know if you can see that window chip here from the inside. This is the driver's seat. Center console. Moving to the rear seat. Right rear door. Again, the sill. Carpet looks great. This seat looks like it's never been sat in. This one back here looks really good as well. Seat backs look excellent. Moving to the very rear cargo area. Got mats in the back. Rear seats do fold down for more cargo space.